Hello, this is Eric of NotBios, and today I bring you the UKE JS82 or UKE JS82 headphones. These are wireless headphones which should allow making calls and listening to music. These were highly rated on Amazon, and I want to find out how good or not good these are. Right now at this moment of reviewing this, there's a major sale on this headset. Now let's get started. As far as tech products are concerned, the packaging is very minimalistic. So inside the packaging, we have our headphones, as we had seen in the intro of this video. We have our user manual. And let's see what's in there. And on the other side, we have Chinese writing. And we have a USB charging cable. Type A, that's the rectangle one, to PC or whatever charging device. And Type C, this goes to the charging case itself. As you see in the back, there is USB Type C, and that's going to be your charging connection. So to open it, it's kind of awkward because here's the back end, and then we don't expect it to be the opposite of the charging adapter, but it's not. It's right here among it. So we have a power level indicator on this device, so you can see what your charge is like. Now let's see about the inside of this. So we have little pins that charge it, and right here are the pins, and we can see it wants to pair. That's why it's flashing red and blue. It's looking to pair to device. Is it magnetic like the other ones I reviewed? Yes, it is. So now we can see that the charge of the case is at 100%. Now let's see if I can get this connected to my phone. So before we actually connect this, we can see that R, so that means it's right ear side, and the other one is the other ear side. So this has simply the headphone you see right here, like so. There is no other part to it, just like the last headphones. It says pairing. Okay, let's see if I can find the device. Right now we have available device list. There's a lot of devices. Let's see if I can find this available device. So can we see here? It says JS82, so I'll connect to that one, and I'll press that. And let's see, it says pair on the bottom. And the headphone, just like my last one, speaks. So it did tell me the device was connected. It said pairing, and that's pretty cool. So my expensive headphones don't even do this. That's crazy. Well, these two affordable ones, the last one I reviewed right here, and this one, both tell me what they're doing. Now, I want to get to some audio testing. Let's play something, and I'll see if I can record the audio from the video. Okay, so right now I have Gamers Nexus on with Steve.
Do you want X feature? We'll put X feature in right now. X feature is coming tomorrow. That's not good.
Okay, if there's one thing that these headphones have, it's a lot of volume. So if you're wondering, hey, is this loud enough? It definitely is. So to power off, you press the touch button for 5 seconds, or of course put them in the charging case until the red light flashes. Play pause, one click of headset touch, which is, that's exactly how it works. So next function was double clicking. So next video, exactly what it says. And the previous is double click on the main earbud. I don't know which one's main. I don't know which, I take it main is right side, but so one is next and one is previous, depending on your double touch of the headphone itself. 3 taps is the 3 taps is the volume up and down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoops, that was too fast. So if you have an iPhone, you can wake up Siri, and that is a long press. Touch button 2 seconds in connecting state. Okay, well, I don't have Siri, so I can't do that. Now I want to test this with music. And outside. Outside is a real world test, and especially calling. Okay, I'm going to have to call someone. Oh, you couldn't hear me? Or is I touching?
Yeah.
Okay. So how are you doing today?
Oh, not too bad. So what's up?
Not much. And that's actually just calling you to try out a pair of headphones.
It's not as clear as it should be.
Yeah, maybe that's because I'm holding them. How about am I now? Oh, okay, so it sounds like I'm far away from the phone. Okay, so tapping on the earbud will hang up on people. I got wondering, maybe it's my Xiaomi 12X that doesn't work good with these headphones, and maybe an iPhone 12 Pro Max what the headphones might sound better. So I had my friend call me using those headphones, and then I put my phone to the speaker. Let's hear how that sounded today at work.
What did I do?
Yeah, what'd you do at work?
I picked up my forklift wouldn't start. I changed oil in the front end loader and put some filters on it. Changed some other parts because I don't know what they were called. Put spares on. Add oil, forklift, greasing.
So we can see my purchase here is August 14th, 2022. And if I look at the ratings, they're really good. So I look here. Oh, well, after this date, I see a bad rating. And after this date, I also see a bad rating. And also here. But funny thing is, copper cables. And let's talk about copper wire again. Speaker cable. So why are they allowed to switch a product like speaker cable for these headphones? Not even related. And then make their product propped up and look better. I think something's fishy here. So you might be wondering, what are my other experiences when talking on the phone outside or even using this outside? Well, the good part is audio is pretty decent for listening to music and YouTube. It's not like great quality, but it's actually decent, and it goes really loud, so no problem there. Until you stick it in your back pocket. Then it cuts out once in a while. And then you're on the phone, and there's a little bit of noise, and they hear you like that kind of sound like that rather than be able to hear you properly. So what do I think about this? If you're using this for other than listening to music and you need some volume, no, don't get it. Don't get it for phone calls. It's just awful. This is Eric and BIOS, and I don't really recommend this product. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a most wonderful day. Okay, you might be thinking, what if it's like I see right now, $60 off? No. What do you think I bought it at?